In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TradingView data. This process is a fantastic way to harness your chart information for deeper analysis and better trading decisions. First, let's start by opening up the chart that you want to work with. This chart will be the key focus of our data extraction today, so make sure it's the one you need the data from. Once you have your chart in front of you, pay close attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a down arrow icon. This is your gateway to exporting data, so go ahead and click on it to access the menu. Within this menu, you will find an option labeled Export Chart Data. Clicking on this will lead you to a new set of choices that involves selecting the data range or interval you want to export. This is an important step because it determines how much data you will download. Consider your specific needs, whether you want a short-term range like a week or a longer term such as a month or more. Be thoughtful with your selection, as it can greatly impact your analysis. Once you've selected your desired range or interval, you'll find the option to download the data as a CSV file. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a universally recognized format that makes it easy to view and manipulate your data in programs like Excel or Google Sheets. Go ahead and initiate the download, and within moments, you'll have your TradingView data ready for in-depth examination on your computer. It's important to note that this feature is exclusively available to users with Pro Plus or Premium plans on TradingView. If you're not on one of these plans, you might want to consider upgrading to take advantage of this powerful functionality. For those with the correct plan, this exporting capability can be a real game changer, allowing for efficient data analysis and enhanced insights into your trades. Unlocking your chart data through this method offers a tremendous boost in how you can analyze and apply information to your trading strategies. Whether you're using it for tracking trends, backtesting strategies, or just gaining a more substantial understanding of market movements, this simple process provides valuable opportunities for growth and learning. That's it for today's guide on how to download data from TradingView. By following these straightforward steps, you can export your chart data seamlessly and start making more informed decisions in your trading endeavors. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.